lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Tulika. Today's video is gonna be super helpful for all the busy bees out there because I'm going to share with you a quick meal plan for weekdays. So let's get started. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So jump into the video. For breakfast, I'm going to make super quick pancakes. You only need 3 ingredients: rolled oats, banana and egg. Here I'm taking one grinding jar, adding all the ingredients into this. I'm going to blend all this together to get a batter, and here we go. I'm going to spray some coconut oil into this pan, taking little amount of this batter and spreading over the pan. With this much batter, you can get 3 to 4 pancakes. That means for one serving, it's perfect. Giving this 1 minute to be cooked perfectly from one side. After 1 minute, I'm flipping this over. And this will take another 1 minute. One batch is done. As I'm preparing meals for 2 persons today, I need to go for another round, so I'm following the same process from grinding to frying. The pancakes are ready to be served. Now I'm going to garnish these pancakes with some honey and sliced bananas. And I think this is the healthiest and easiest pancakes anyone can make for their breakfast. It's lunchtime. Today I'm going to make quinoa salad. Here I have cooked quinoa. I always cook for a whole week and store it into refrigerator. At first, adding the cooked quinoas into this bowl. And remember, I'm preparing for 2 servings today. Next, I'm going to add boiled red kidney beans. Here I have boiled chickpeas. I cook the red kidney beans and the chickpeas into batches because I do add into many dishes. These are good source of protein and full of nutrition. And here I have some seasonal chopped veggies: capsicums, cucumbers, leafy veggies, tomatoes, green onions, yellow sweet corns. Adding all the veggies into this bowl. If you are making this, you can add any seasonal vegetables of your choice. Mixing all this together. Here I have one homemade salad dressing. So the question is, how did I make this salad dressing? I don't buy salad dressing from market because I think the homemade one is the healthier option. And trust me, this one is the easiest one. So have a look. Here I have handful of soaked cashew nuts. I soaked this for 1 hour. I'm adding 1 pinch of Himalayan pink salt and little bit of apple cider vinegar. And that's it. I'm going to blend this for a few seconds. And yeah, it's ready. So how simple was that? I always make this for a few days at least and store this into airtight container. Keep it into a refrigerator. You can use this for 10 to 15 days. And this is one of my favorite salad dressings. I'm adding 2 to 3 spoons of this salad dressing into this bowl. It goes perfectly with any salad, I think. Giving it a good mix. And the lunch is ready to be served. I can't tell you that how much I'm into this salad. I can eat this for a whole week. This is super healthy, colorful and fresh. And the good part is you don't need to cook. Just prepare the quinoa, kidney beans and chickpeas for once in a week and you can have this lunch for every day. This is a good option for lunchbox as well. I'm adding little bit of salad dressing on top of this to make it look more delicious. I like to keep my dinners simple. Today I'm going to make boiled chicken and veggies. Here I have 200 grams of chicken breast. At first I'm adding the water into the steamer. Adding sliced gingers and green onions into this water. I'm going to boil this for 2 to 3 minutes with the lid on. Now adding the chickens into this water. We'll boil for 15 minutes with the lid on. I forgot about the salt before. Here I'm adding a little bit of Himalayan pink salt into this. Here I have some broccolis and carrots. So after 15 minutes, I'm placing it over this. I'm going to steam this for 5 minutes. So the chicken will take 20 minutes and for the veggies, it's 5 minutes. It's serving time. Adding few slices of cucumbers as well. Don't throw this broth, this is flavorful and nutritious. Garnishing this broth with some green onions. Now here I'm adding one green chutney or sauce, whatever you can say, on top of the boiled chicken. To make this green chutney, you will need green onions, gingers, corianders, lemon juice, and little bit of Himalayan pink salt. That's it. Blend this together and your green chutney or sauce will be ready. So dinner is served. Let me enjoy. Let me know in comment below that what kind of meal you like to enjoy in busy weekdays. So now you know how to prepare your own meal for busy weekdays. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.